I'm gonna go on my first meeting to a new job that I just got, and I am so excited. I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, it's starting. Okay.
I guess it's my turn. My name is Cindy, and I am a mom of 2 boys. And as Mary mentioned, I used to work at Comunidad Latina as an administrator, and I was also an organizer for a bit. And that was really fun, and it helped me to learn and grow as a person and be part of the community. So I'm very excited to see what I can learn with you guys. You guys look amazing, and I hope to keep growing. And yeah, I'm just excited to be part of the team.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to.
I'm so nervous right now, you guys. Come with me to get these lips filled. So I just want to say that I do not promote any surgeries or enhancements to your body. Everybody does what they want and what makes them happy. So this is something that I've been thinking about for years, and I finally had the guts to do it. Yeah, and I honestly feel so much better and a little bit more confident. And yeah, I think just do whatever makes you happy, honestly. Don't worry about people judging you. It's time to say goodbye to these bacon lips. Let's go. I'm so nervous. Okay, so I'm here. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm more excited. So I'm gonna see if I can film in there. I don't know if I can film in there, so yeah. It's so cute in here. Are you ready? I'm obsessed. She did so good. I did bleed, as you can see, but I love them. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I just got my lips done. Well, I got them done like at 12, so that's what they look like. And then I was driving like through a pho area, and this is my first time ever having pho. I think it's pho. It's like Hayu spicy beef noodles, something like that. And it's like right here, it's super hot, and I'm like on a slope, so hopefully I do not spill. You know what? This is a really bad idea. Am I even allowed to have spicy stuff? Let me try the broth. Okay, what? Okay, wow, that is good. I don't think I should be doing this in the car. Maybe I'll come back later. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do it when I get home. No se te vaya a tirar, eh? This is what it comes with. I think that's beef, like brisket. Looks so good. And then the noodles are underneath. And then I got the little spring onions, limon, chiles, mint, and some sauces. Hoisin sauce, sriracha, and some chili oil sauce. So yeah, I'll eat this one when I get home. But I'm excited. Oh, And I also got these called spring rolls. I think they're called spring rolls. I also got a shrimp spring roll. And I got it with some peanut sauce. So I'm gonna do a quick Target haul. So yeah. I spent, oh my god, I hate Target. I spent $195. $195, you guys. Oh my goodness.
Hello?
Okay, anyways, yeah, I got the Tweezerman eyelash curler, and that was $18, so hopefully that works. And then I also got this Christine S. hair signature hair gloss because I do not want my hair looking red, so, and I don't want to dye it every single time because my hair is like on a health journey. So got this one, see how that works. And that was $14.99. That's not bad. And then I got this cute little skirt. It's like silk and it has little lace, and that one was on sale for $14. Has a cute little bow, very pocket. And then I got the Diamond Gloss Mineral Wear, so it looks like that. We'll see how I like that. And then I got mascara. And then I got the Centella or Centella light cleansing oil. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I was very happy when I saw it at Target. And then I also got the La Roche-Posay, however you pronounce it, purifying foaming cleanser. I also heard a lot of good things about this. That's for normal oily skin. And then I got a Sonia Kashuk foundation brush. And then I got, so in my Target they have like a little Ulta place. And I got Max Fix Plus, the matte one. And I got the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder in translucent, and I also got the one in brightening pink, and that's like for the under eye area. And then I got some cotton rounds, and then I got this awesome dress. It's really long and it was $9, and it's just very beautiful. It's giving me like I want to go to the wine tasting, so that's what I got there. And then I think that's it. Dog and cat food, so you guys don't need to see that. But anyways, I am gonna probably update you guys on my lips. I got one whole syringe, and she did the Russian lip technique. I wasn't able to film just because I was nervous. So yeah. Okay, bye. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! Right there! Go, 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 go! Woo! Nice, nice. I gotta go over. I gotta go over here. Yes, baby. Where's your tía? Dice que un Easter tranquilo.
Por lo menos toma para que le eches la culpa al alcohol, güey, que andas ofendido.
A huevo, que yo no come las horas,
Mira la golosa 69.
Mírala.
Nomás por presumir tus putos lapeles, por poner esas canciones.
El papel del baño. Sigues, ma.
Buena para tomar, pero.
No, tú te vas a morir de la puta sal, no del tequila.
No mate.
Le va a picar el hígado, pero la sal, no el tequila. No llaman a mi tacha.
Guys, Emilio, he's coming. We're in the trail and it's falling.
Es close. Allá no.
We've been walking for like, what, 5 minutes and he's still following us. Ya se va para arriba.
Come on, buddy.
That is so funny.
Maybe I do need to get a cat and train it to go on walks and stuff.
It's so cute. No, ya se quedó. Ya se quedó. No, ma, pues sí. Come on!
Pinche gato.
You can keep walking.
No, se fue perder.
Abre mi gato. Yeah,
Look at it, it's running for its life.
abre mi gato. It's coming. It's coming.
I know. Oh my.
Look at it.
Meow. Shut up, they see. Here. Eres una babosa. No, there isn't. I fucking ran for my life. I almost cried. Look at me. There's a freeway down there. It's gonna get crashed. We have to take it.
That's the black one.
You're kidding.
There's something there on the bush. I see what you're saying.
Freaking
Stupid.
Ma, no le vayas a dar chetos.
Like he's such like. Okay, there's people coming with dogs. Isn't this just
Is he? Ma, move. Ahí viene Carlitos. I think he died because he would have been down already. Sorry, I don't have money. No puede.
Wait. Oh, anyway.
What could it be?
because the chicken was like not chewy, but it was like rubbery.
This over here looks like a baby. This one's either dead. Should we call animal? Daisy, I think that's a baby.
Oh my god, there's a bunch of baby whales. Something's not right.
Shut up, is that a baby orca?
I'm going in. Come here!
Carlitos, come! There's a whale! Háblale a Carlitos.
Dígame español, que no venga otra gente.
Holy shit, look at that ship.
No, the ship is gonna make...
We found a dinosaur. Oh no, Milo's gonna chase it away. Milo, get the coon. Milo, get the coon. Milo, get it. Get it, Milo. Dude. There we go.
A mí no me conviene que me están enseñando el trato, ¿sabes?
Puro de rancho aquí, lo que creen. I don't know.
Y es hora de más de la fibra dorada.
Look at the chicken.
Se lo haga todo en un solo mapa, Juan.
Me manda señal para ver el mejor.
Esteban.
Yes, 100%.
He has the same attitude.
Right, go faster right here. Go faster right here.
¿Por acá?
Acá.
My new ride. There's a car. There's a car. Yes, there is. I saw the light. Daisy. Oh, no, we're going that one. Daisy, it's leaving. My way to Seattle. He's like,
Imagine going downhill.
Somebody died. I'm not. Dude, que no se te vayan a soltar, because they will die. You're good. Easy. Easy. So we're gonna be trying these something samanko red bean Korean ice cream thing. This is what it looks like. You want to take the first bite?
It looks like bread.
It's not. It's like a waffle cone thing. Go. Do you like it?
This one.
My turn.
Oh my god.
There's a red bean. You want to try it?
No.
Okay. We're at the mall, pizza, and I got a sushi burrito. Y una coca para la dieta. Okay, let's open it. These are super fun to open. My brother knows how now.
Oh, you want me to open it? Oh.
Are you sure? Hold on, let me do it for the video.
Woo!
There you go, try it. It's strawberry flavored. Coca para la dieta?
This one tastes like Fanta.
I bet.
It's expired. I'm joking.
You know what? I forgot to bring my
La Bubu.
no, my my phone stand. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at that. Where's the camera? Yum. This looks amazing. Bon appetit. Cheers. So we're on our way to find the Labubus. Hopefully we can find one, right? Let's go find Labubus, Santi. Or angel babies, or what are the other ones?
Crybabies?
Or crybabies. So let's go find them. Yeah. Por aquí está, I remember it. Those are squishables. No, this way. There it is. Pop Mart. Oh my god, you guys.
My god.
Oh my gosh. Let's go see if we can find the Labubu.
Yes.
Here it is. Let's hear something. Hi. Oh my god, they're so cute. Are these it? Is this one? I'm so sad they don't have Labubus. But they have crybaby. Should I get a crybaby? Bitch, tell me why they want $60 for those? Heck no. Primero tengo que echar gas. Wow, muérdele. A ver si. No Labubus, no crybabies. Everything was sold out. I was so mad, but I was able to get a Powerpuff Girl. Let's see which one we got. I loved this, all of them, but this is like from my childhood. I really want this one. Let's see. Pop. Okay, I'm not gonna look. I see blue. I see blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at her. Oh my god, is this? It's the bunny one. It's Bunny Buttercup. How cute. It's going on my keys right now.